Well, today we celebrate the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. University of Toledo, along with the city of Toledo, joining hands in a community celebration at UT Savage Arena. This year marking the 19th annual Unity celebration. Our Alexis Means was the MC. Joins us now live with a look at what is always a very special and moving event. Alexis.
It was a great event. Many people told me that this is a day to reflect on how we can come together and make Toledo a better place. Hundreds of people filled the seats at UT Savage Arena to celebrate the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
You're not this color, you're not this color. We are all one person. It doesn't matter what your skin looks like.
As a group of individuals, I believe we can inspire others. That's the most important part, because I see a lot of my friends and stuff, they don't make it just because they don't have that inspiration, they don't have that support system. But if together as individuals we can all come together and support each other, I think we can do something great.
Through song and dance, the special day of remembrance shed light on the accomplishments of Dr. King and his fight for the rights of everyone. Every year, UT and the city of Toledo awards several scholarships to help students achieve their dreams. This year, over $6,000 in scholarships was given to students. Congresswoman Marcy Kaptur, UT President Dr. Sharon Gaber, and Toledo Mayor Wade Kapsakavage led today's community service project. Several items were bagged for Lucas County foster kids in care.
The organization is called Operation Warm. Also, Hannah's Socks has donated socks. So we've got duffel bags, and we're going to fill those duffel bags with coats, hats, scarves, gloves, and socks, and donate them to Children's Services.
City leaders say the moving video of Dr. King's life reminded just about everyone of how there's still work to be done.
I think remembering him in these tumultuous times is important, because even back then he was able to break bread with people who may have thought differently than him.
When times seem to be rather divided at this moment, it's a wonderful opportunity for us to stop, be still, and remember that we're all human beings and that we need to work together to make this world the better place that it has the potential to be.
In Toledo, Alexis Means, 13 ABC, Action News.